Humanoid robots, hype or horizon? The future of robotics is here. Eventually, despite years of anticipation, the reality of functional, widely available humanoid robots remains elusive. While major tech companies and China are pouring resources into development, actual use cases are still limited, and the current hype often outpaces technical capability. The illusion of progress. Recent demonstrations, from Tesla's Optimus failing spectacularly on stage to Chinese robot competitions, highlight the gap between marketing and reality. Videos of robots performing domestic chores or competing in athletic events are frequently staged, scripted, or remotely operated. For example, Ant Group's R1 robot was shown cooking, but its movements were glacial. 1X's Neo, marketed as consumer-ready, requires human teleoperators to function effectively. This disconnect isn't new. Robotics has historically overpromised and underdelivered, riding waves of enthusiasm before plateauing. However, this time might be different. The AI revolution and AMP, data acquisition breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, particularly large language models, LLMs, are now being applied to robotics. LLMs, the engines behind modern chatbots, learn by analyzing massive datasets and replicating patterns. Roboticists are adapting this approach to give machines a more generalized understanding of the physical world. The key bottleneck? Data. LLMs thrive on readily available digital content, but robots require detailed real-world examples, movements, interactions, and unpredictable scenarios. Companies are actively gathering this data, sometimes through unconventional methods. Tesla, for instance, uses workers wearing cameras to train Optimus, while 1X deploys less-than-autonomous bots into homes to collect usage data remotely. This aggressive data acquisition is driving progress. Hardware costs are also falling, making humanoid robots more affordable. Chinese models start at around $1,400, while others range from $13,500 to $20,000. This affordability fuels a feedback loop. More robots in the real world generate more data, leading to better AI models and improved functionality. The skepticism remains. Despite the advancements, skepticism is warranted. China's Economic Planning Agency has warned of a potential humanoid robot bubble, citing excessive investment with limited practical applications. The fundamental question remains, who would buy a robot that isn't truly autonomous? Until companies move beyond staged DMOS and teleoperated bots, it will be hard to determine if the hype matches reality. The future may bring fully functional humanoids, or it may deliver more comical fail videos. The race is on, but the finish line is still obscured. For now, the most reliable prediction is continued investment, aggressive data collection, and a healthy dose of skepticism.